Can I install a booster pump to increase hot water pressure in my tankless water heater?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common household question. Can I install a booster pump to increase hot water pressure in my tankless water heater? This is a question that comes up quite frequently, and today we will provide you with the answers you're seeking.
Understanding your tankless water heater.
First, let's understand how a tankless water heater works. Unlike traditional water heaters, tankless models don't store hot water in a large tank. Instead, they heat water on demand as it flows through the unit. This makes them more energy efficient but also poses unique challenges when it comes to water pressure.
Do tankless water heaters affect water pressure?
It's important to know that tankless water heaters themselves rarely reduce water pressure. They're designed to provide a consistent supply of hot water without affecting the water pressure. However, if your home has naturally low water pressure, you may notice this more with hot water from a tankless system.
Can a booster pump help?
Yes, a booster pump can help increase water pressure in your home, including hot water from a tankless system. A booster pump amplifies the pressure of water entering your home's plumbing system, improving the flow from all your faucets and appliances, including your tankless water heater. However, the booster pump should be installed on the main water line coming into your home, not directly to the water heater.
Is it safe to install a booster pump?
Safety is always a priority when it comes to home installations. Rest assured, installing a booster pump is generally safe. However, it's crucial to have it installed by a licensed plumber to ensure it's set up correctly and safely. Also, do remember to check your local regulations about such installations, as there may be specific guidelines or restrictions in place. So, in conclusion, if you're experiencing low hot water pressure with your tankless water heater, a booster pump could be a viable solution. However, it's always best to consult with a professional to understand the root cause of the issue and to determine the most effective and safest solution. Remember, your safety and satisfaction are paramount. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.